Turmoil, cop and driver come to blows as anti-tint operations continue. This evening, footage of the drama that's unfolding in St. Anne. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, fire and fury. Why Marchbank Road residents set fires on Spanish Town bypass today.
Trampled, a commuter relates her trauma while trying to get on a bus.
Sick building, the latest on Cornwall Regional Hospital woes.
Horrifying, a man reportedly confesses to the late RTR chairman Peter Abrams' murder and relates the grim tale to cops.
In the Business Day Growth Path, the latest figures about the state of the Jamaican economy.
There's also sports, post commentary and weather in the primetime package, but before the break, the feedback question.
What do you think of the Trump administration's tougher stance on illegal immigrants?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.